you go and show us your stuff? No, you won't. Sorry, T. I'm sorry, bud. You're all right. I won't let you hit me. Say hi, Mom. You're alright, you're alright. Stay up. Very good. Very good, Jen. Very good, Jen. Very good. Awesome. Awesome job. Pay attention. There you go. There she is. Go straight now. Keep up speed here. You want to go straight if you can. Oh. You alright? That was great.